Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Like Coder. In this video, we are going to learn about case change in our string. So many important functions we have already covered in our previous videos. If anyone missed those videos, please go and watch those. And even I will mention all the link in my description as well. So in this particular video, we are going to learn about case change. Case change means change in case. That means suppose I am mentioning one string Python. I'm mentioning one string Python and I want to convert this string to capital. And also similarly, if one capital string is there, if I want to convert to small, or I want to convert to a title case, or to capitalize one character, like first character I want to capitalize. So we have few functions. We'll go one by one. First one, we have lowercase, okay, and again we have uppercase, lower function there, upper function is there, then swap case, one more function is there, and we have title function also there, and we have capitalize, one function is there. So first we'll go for lower function. Okay, so just I'm opening my Python console here. Okay, I'm opening my Python console. Let me go right so that this function also will visible here. I'm creating one string and I'm giving all capital letter here. So I'm typing yes, ace is now capital. And if I'll try if ace dot lower, then we'll get, it will return all the character in small letter. So this will happen if we are using lower function. Okay, same thing, I have one more string and I am defining with Python, and here s is a small Python, all character in the Python are small, and I am writing s dot upper, then we'll get all the character in uppercase. Okay, similarly, so we have covered lower and upper, these two function we have already covered. Okay, and next is swap case. Okay, so s is one variable and which is a string type. I am defining Python. Okay, and here each character I use like capital letter, then small, capital, small, like that I use mixing of character, right? So here if I am writing is dot swap case, then we are getting this kind of result, like whatever character in our previous string is, suppose here it is capital letter and here it is small letter. So swap case, what it will do, it will just convert capital to small letter or small letter to capital letter. It will do vice versa thing. Okay, so swap case is nothing but it is having features of both lower function and upper function, right? So this is nothing but swap case. So swap function also we got, and next function is title. Okay, so I am writing few one string here and I am writing Python is very easy to learn. Okay, I'm writing this one and I'm printing yes. Okay, it is working fine. And now I'm typing is dot title. Okay, so what will do, it will do here, suppose in is we have few words, right? So it will capitalize each character in word. Okay, like not each character, first character in each word. So simply we can say, if we will use title function with a string, so it will capitalize each character, like first character in each word. Okay, now let me press enter. Okay, so here, see here, P is capital, I is capital, V is capital, E is capital, T is capital, L is capital. So this is about our title. So title function also we have covered here. So next function is our capitalize. Capitalize in the sense I am using same string here. I am printing S. Okay. So here just before writing this function capitalize, okay, before pressing enter, just observe what it will do. It will just capitalize first character of whole sentence. Okay, so this is one sentence, so it will just capitalize this first character. So let me press enter. Okay, so here you can see, yeah, only this one is capital and remaining are as usual. So this is all about the capitalize function, and then generally we have this five function to work around with the case change and swapping and all, and also we have few more function to validate, like whether the string is a lowercase string or it is a uppercase string or it is a capitalized or any space is there in the string or not. So for that we have string validation function. Okay, string case validation, string case validation functions. So few function we have, the function like, suppose age is a string and I am writing it is with Python. We want to validate it is a alphanumeric or not, then we have alphanumeric. This is one function which is validate the given string is a alphanumeric or not. If it is a alphanumeric function, then it will return true, or else it will return false. Same way we have few more function like alpha, it is alphabetic or not, is digit, it is a digit or not, is title, it is in title case or not, is space. So it is a space or not. If the condition is true, it will return the boolean value, that is true. If condition is false, it will return false. Okay, so let me validate first one. I'm creating one string and I am giving Python. Okay, and I am yes, printing is fine and it is showing Python only. Let me validate s is alpha, is alphanumeric or not. So it is alphabetic, numeric I have not mentioned here. That means it will return true because it is a alphanumeric. If I am mentioning 1 2 3 and here I am typing is alphanum, then now it will return false because it is not a string type. Okay, I have taken the integer type because in integer we don't have any function like is alphanum. Okay, so let me create same thing but within single quote, so it will treated as a string. So now s dot is alpha norm. If I am writing this way and I'm pressing what, pressing yes, enter, then we'll get true because Why we are getting like this? Because alpha num, it is the combination of alphabets and numbers. So if it is only alphabet also will get true, and if it is only number also will get true. So when will get false? Suppose I am creating one string with empty string, and now I am pressing is alpha num. In this case, if I am pressing enter, then will get false. Okay, so first one we are cleared, I think, right? So alpha num, it will simply check if the given string is alphanumeric or not. If it is alphanumeric, then will get true, or else will get a boolean value that is false. Okay, so next function is our alpha. So let me create one string called same string. Okay, Python, and is alpha. Is alpha. Okay, here I have mentioned as a like spelling mistake is alpha. If I am pressing enter, now will get true because it is a alphabetic character. Each character in a string it is as a alphabet only, so we are getting true. So same way, if I am mentioning one string this way, okay, I am writing is alpha. So what will get? Just guess. It will return false. Yes, you are right. It will return false because here all digits are there, and we are validating whether this is a alpha or alphabetic or not. So here will get false. Same thing if I am going with digit is digit, in this case will get true because all are digits only. So here we have covered is alphanum, this one we have covered, alpha we have covered, is it is a digit or not we have covered, and last two is there title, it is a title or not, or it is a space or not. Okay, so let me create one string. Python is easy to learn. Okay, Python is easy to learn. Okay, so fine. Let me validate is it is a title or not. So in title case, what we have seen previously, that is like each word, like first character of each word should be capital. So here we cannot see that kind of situation, so we'll get false only. But in same way, if I am writing p capital then python, then I capital is python is easy. Okay, now you can observe each word first character is capital letter. So let me check again is title. Now we'll get true. Okay, we are clear about each title function as well. So let me go for our last function, that is space. So let me create one string with only empty string, and let me validate is space or not. It will return true or false? Can you guess, guys? Yeah, yes, true. It will return true. You are right. So here, like here, same way. If I want to validate with different thing, okay, let me do with the same thing. Is dot space. Okay, now like it is treated as is space. Is dot is space, and let me enter. Here it will return false because the space is not there. So in this video we have learned about a few important case sense function and how we need to validate that character in string all these things we have covered in this video. If you guys having any doubt, please do hit me in comment box. I will try to clear all those. Okay guys, so I think we have covered with all the string function almost, and I would like to say thank you for watching all my videos and giving your support. Please guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel so that I will get little bit motivation and I will create a few more videos as well. So as of now, stay with me. Thank you.